Hi everybody, this is Yousef. Once again, just gonna show you today at how to make Kuku Sabzi, which is kuku is a base egg food, which is could be with the potato, eggplant, zucchini. Today is gonna be with the herbs, which is there is four kind of different herbs, and I'm gonna chop them, which is two of each bunch, and cilantro, parsley, chives, and dill. I'm gonna use also two fresh garlic. If you can find it, you can use just a regular garlic. And as I said, I'm gonna chop this and I'm gonna add the eggs on it after just about 5 or 6 eggs. But the rest of the ingredients are oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, a little bit liquid saffron, and 1/4 of the teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon also baking powder. So I'm gonna start it with chopping this very finely. Then I'm gonna add the eggs and the rest of the ingredients all together, and I'm gonna go to the pot, and I just put them in with the hot oil, and we wait for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna turn it around upside down and wait for another 5 to 7 more minutes, and we're done. Okay, let's get it started. By the way, you don't have to do it the way that I'm doing it with your hand. You can use your food processor to do this. Okay, one more thing that I have to tell you here is in some places you might not be able to find chives. You can use leek and it does the same thing. We're all done, almost. Okay, as I said, I'm already done with the chopping the vegetables, and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients all together and put them in the pan and mix them with the rest of the spices, and goes to the hot oil. There we go, and almost done. After I finish this, then I'm gonna add the saffron. If you remember, I said 6 eggs. Sometimes you might need 5 or 7. It seems we need another egg to add to this because it shows it's not enough. So I'm gonna add another egg to it, and the saffron at this time, and that's it. Okay, all the ingredients are well combined together and is ready mixed, and I'm gonna put it in a hot oil. Is a vegetable oil that I'm just putting here, and I'm gonna drop the whole thing right into that oil and let it cook for, as I said, maybe 15 minutes or so. Okay, this is the time that just after the 15 minutes, as I said, everything is done on the bottom. I have to flip this so they cook this side of the kuku. What I'm gonna do, it's a little bit tricky, but I have to just flip these things over. Let me get the gloves. Okay, here is what it's supposed to be, but I'm gonna cut this, and then you can eat this as a hors d'oeuvre or a main dish, which is gonna be a very nice and tasty sandwich, or you can eat it with the sabzi pulao and fish, or just itself, whatever you like. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.